So it actually looks like AI tools are raining these days. Every other day there is a new tool, and today is the day for Anthropic's Cloudy AI, which is supposedly a worthy competitor to ChatGPT 4. If it is competitor to ChatGPT 4, we can consider it because ChatGPT 4 is for ChatGPT Plus users, which costs $20, and the ChatGPT 3.5 is okayish. We have got Google's Bard, which has been consistent in improvements, and it has improved a lot since it was released a few months ago. But Anthropic's Cloudy AI is said to be far superior than all the other AI tools available in the market. So the Cloudy AI is in version 2, and as per the blog post by Anthropic, they have conducted some tests and they have seen that the latest model scored 76.5% in a multiple choice section of bar exam, where the previous version had secured 73%. And there are some other independent tests also which prove that Cloudy 2 is far better than ChatGPT. It is currently available in selected countries and is getting rolled out. So it just got rolled out to my country, India. And in case if it is not available to your country, here is how you can access it. You will require Opera browser. Opera is an amazing browser. I've talked about it a lot of times in my videos, and I've written a lot of articles on my blog as well. The way Opera is going to let you access Cloudy 2 AI is by using its free VPN feature. So it's easy to connect to the VPN. You can click over here in the address bar. If it is not available, you can enable it from the settings area. So once it is enabled, the icon will be available in the address bar. For example, it is currently not connected. Then if I click on this icon, I can click on this button and it will be connected. By default, it gets connected to Americas. So now that we are connected to the VPN, I can open the Anthropic website and then click on talk to Cloudy, and you can see that I have got access to Cloudy AI, and it is actually better than ChatGPT 3.5 because I have tested a few things. I asked the same questions to both of the AIs, and in most of the cases Cloudy AI's response is much better. For example, I tried to create a grammar tool. I gave it a prompt that whatever I will put in this chat, you have to fix it, and asked it to do a few things to the text. Here is the response of Cloudy AI is. It understood what I was trying to ask it, and it gave me a list of things I want it to do to my text. It even understood my prompt and gave me a clear text showing what I'm asking it to do. I asked the same question to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT 3.5's response was not that great. You can see here I pasted the same text prompt into ChatGPT 3.5 and it only said that it understood that. And then I gave it a piece of text, and it did not follow the instruction of creating paragraphs with only 2 or 3 sentences. You can see it here. So I asked it to create in 2 paragraphs, and as usual, it apologized for the oversight and then redid that text. While Cloudy AI was nicely able to create paragraphs with 2 or 3 sentences and was doing everything I asked it to do. It is one of the instances. Other instance is I found success in creating a WordPress plugin. It is still not perfect, but I asked it, I want a plugin for WordPress for certain features. It gave me a list of files that would be needed for making that plugin. Then I asked it to give me code for each of the files so that I can compile them together. So the manual part, the compiling of all the code has to be done by me, but it was amazing to see that the code actually really worked. While working with ChatGPT 3.5, you have to see what output it is giving to you, and you will have to ask it what problem you are facing, and it will eventually work it out for you. But Cloudy AI is straightforward. I haven't compared it directly to ChatGPT 4, but obviously the ChatGPT 4 costs $20 per month and this one is free. If it is not available in your country, you can use Opera browser. So that's it. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and follow for more videos like this.